Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. West Indies T20 captain Powell said the Caribbean men started on the wrong foot as they lost the fourth T20 international in the 5-match series against England in Trinidad and Tobago on Tuesday. On the back of Phil Salt's second successive century, the Three Lions were able to level the series and bring it to a deciding fifth match, which will be played on Thursday. Powell believes that there is one area of the game that needs to improve in order to claim their second straight series of this home tour.
The bowlers have to come to the party. It's been disappointing for the last few games of how we have executed as bowling group. So Thursday provide an opportunity for us to get that right.
The Windies will play their fifth and final game of the series tomorrow at the same venue. The match goes off at 3 p.m. Jamaica time. Now, the Halfway Tree Police are investigating a possible act of impersonation which took place at the office of the Jamaica Football Federation on Tuesday. In a press release sent by JFF media liaison Earl Bailey on Tuesday evening, it's alleged that two men entered the JFF office dressed in police uniforms. The men allegedly asked for a director of the JFF by name and explained that they had a warrant for the director and they should visit the Halfway Tree police station accompanied by their lawyer. When asked to identify themselves, the two men declined to do so, raising alarm. According to the release, a senior officer at the Halfway Tree station was contacted who revealed that there was no such warrant issued. The JFF has reportedly brought the matter to the High Command. Nottingham Forest have appointed Nuno Espirito Santo on a 2.5-year contract to replace Steve Cooper. Cooper was sacked on Tuesday after 2 years, with Forest having lost 5 of their past 6 league games and sitting 17th in the table. Former Wolves and Tottenham Hotspur manager Nuno was sacked by Saudi Pro League club Al Ittihad in November. The 49-year-old's first match in charge will be Saturday's home Premier League game against Bournemouth. Nuno spent 4 years at Wolves, guiding the club to promotion from Championship in the first season before consecutive 7th-place finishes in the Premier League, while also reaching the Europa League quarter-finals. And Tornadoes Swim Club splashed away with the overall title at the annual ASAJ Christmas Open Swim Meet at the National Aquatic Centre at the culmination on Tuesday. Tornadoes ended with 1,178 points, well ahead of second-place White Speedos on 829, and the Cayman Islands team, which was third, with 724.5 points. Swimmers used the meet as part of their competitive build-up to what is expected to be a busy 2024 season.
It was a good race. It's nice when you have competition that you're familiar with. So everybody knows everyone, so I know who to expect, who to look out for. And it's just all a part of the training leading up to Worlds.
The Christmas Open Swim Meet was the final in-person competitive event on the local aquatics calendar for the year. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.